Yo, what is up, man? My name is Dre Wells, and today we're going to talk about how to get verified on Facebook, so stay tuned. Alright, guys and gals, so you see we're on my page right now. We moved over to the computer. So this is my page. I'm Dre Wells, of course, veteran producer and gamer. But enough about me, man. Let's show you the process. The process is so simple, man. What you have to do, you have to be authentic, unique in your niche, and then you have a complete profile. The complete profile is what literally disqualifies a lot of people. So make sure you have a about section complete out. If you a page or profile, make sure you have a photo, and some recent activity. You need at least one post. And then, like I said, be notable in your niche. That's easy. You like literally like when I got verified in 2016, I had zero press, but I was notable, and my niche was music. So you can literally, I'm gonna have this link in the description as well. How to request. You go here, press the contact form. As you see, you can verify your Facebook page or your Facebook profile. So I'm gonna just pick page, and then it has the pages and stuff. So I could pick We Lit Crew, but Dre Wells is already verified, which you guys see in this tab. We can refresh just to show you guys no fugaziness, because literally a lot of people have been doing clickbait titles and stuff. But yeah, you select your page, you select your niche, pick your country, and then you need a photo ID to verify you are that person. If you are a brand, a business, you could also use your organization's utility bill, phone bill, certificate of organization, articles of incorporation. It's real easy to do. So man, I'm gonna have that link in the description for that as well. So if you guys just want to just click the link and get to this page, I'll have this link and then also the other one. It's real simple, man. The thing that disqualifies a lot of people literally is not having a complete profile. Just make sure you fill out everything. Fill out as much information as you can so that way they know who you are, and it'll be easy to get everything done. If you guys like the content, be sure to hit a thumbs up. If you need any help, leave a comment. I'll get with you guys. Thank you all. Have a blessed day. I'm out.